Hey, what's going on, guys? Luis here. Welcome to another YouTube episode, and today I have something that I've been wanting to buy and purchase. I wanted to go ahead and do an open box reveal to share with you guys what it is. So today what we will be opening is the Noco Boost Plus jump starter. I don't know about you, but I've had jumper cables for the last, years and years and years. And those things are a pain in the butt. You gotta put them all together. They comes with a little carrying case. It never fits in the case, and it's just super bulky, and it just doesn't fit well underneath my seat. So I've always had my eye on this jump starter, and I finally pulled the trigger. It was about 100 bucks. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link below so you guys can check it out. But yes, I've always wanted to have this as part of my arsenal when I'm driving around, or maybe somebody else needs a jump start for their car, or maybe I need one. I don't have to use somebody else in order to get a jump on my car. This thing has it all. So I'm excited to unbox it here with you guys and take a look to see at all the awesome features that the Noco Boost Plus has. All right, guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. So comes box here. And let's see. It's pretty good packaging. Look at that. It's nice and neat. Love it. Looks great. Got a knife here, so let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Yeah, the packaging on this is really nice. I like how just sleek it looks. It's very appealing to the eye. It's nice. It's not bulky. And we go ahead and slide that guy off. Cool. Put that there. And then it looks like it goes down here like that. Packaging again, spot on. I love that. That's great. So we'll go ahead and take that out. And here it is. Wow. This looks pretty rad. Look at that. That is awesome. It's so small. I thought it was going to be a lot thicker, to be honest with you, when I saw it online, but it's actually not bulky at all. It's a great look. It's a great size. Awesome. Okay, so we have that, and then it's got a little flap here, as you can see. So we look in here. Looks like it comes with a little bag. A little bag there for you to put your jump starter in. And then looks like we have a little car charger there. And here are the cables. Look at that. That is awesome. Look how sleek this guy is. So nice. And looks like they're biting down on something there. I wonder if that's part of the actual boost. Oh, and these are pretty, they clamp really well as well. Got a lot of force to them, so that's nice. Okay, that's great. So we got that, and looks like we have the power cable here, the charging power cable. That's nice. And then we got your instructions, and that is it for the box. Okay, love it. It's great. Simple, straight to the point. And we'll go ahead and put that to the side here real quick. Here it is. Look at that. That thing is really nice looking. So it looks like it has a couple flaps here. So we have USB in, USB out. It looks like this is where you probably connect the wires to, the jumper wires. All right, there it is. Yep. And you might have to, oh, what is that? Oh, okay. Wow, that's pretty rad. I guess if it's, then you have a flashlight there, so you could, that's really cool. Wow, I love that. Okay, let's go ahead and connect this. Gotta push it in there a little bit, but look at that. Man, that is awesome. Not much to it. I love it. That's great. Let's see what it does if we hit the power button. So when you're actually looking at where this Boost Plus ranks, I believe that there's 5 different options for this series. And so this is the second. So it's the Boost Sport, I believe, and then the Boost Plus, and then there's 2 or 3 more from there. So this one again was about $100. I got it off of Amazon, and I'm gonna keep this in my car at all times. Make sure it's charged, of course. But I love that it comes with a car charger, because obviously it's gonna be chilling in your car most of the time, right? So you can just throw that in there and charge your jump starter. So there's that, and looks like there's a couple USB ports, so I'm sure that you can probably connect a phone or something. If let's say you're out in the middle of nowhere and your car, or you didn't bring a battery or a phone charger, you have your USB out. I know most cars today have USBs and thunder cables and stuff like that. But that's really nice to have. Or maybe you have some sort of other gadget that you need to charge or need to use. I'm sure that you can plug it into here and use this as your battery, which is nice to power it. And I believe that that's where you plug in the wire to charge it. So yeah, USB there, and then it's got the small USB right there. Awesome. I love this. This is really cool. I love how small and sleek it is. I actually thought it was going to be a lot bulkier, but this is super nice. So I guess once you're done, right, you just pull the cable out. There. And then again, it comes with a bag, which I didn't know it actually came with a bag because I bought a different case for it, which I'll go ahead and open here in a second. But I love all the thoughtfulness that went behind these. Look at that. And then it's got the Noco logo there, your plus, your negative. And let's go ahead and just put this back how it was. Let's get these biting on this thing. Not sure what that is still. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's just for this purpose and this purpose. Throw that in there. Throw your chargers in there. Your charger in there. And voila, look at that. Man, this is way nicer than your jumper cables, you know, which is a lot bulkier and a spaghetti of a mess. And let's say I'm in the middle of nowhere and there's no other car to give me a jump. Boom, there you go. The Noco Boost Plus, love it. So like I said earlier, I did get a different kind of case for it, so let's go ahead and open that up and see what that looks like. And this looked pretty nice too when I saw it on Amazon as well. So if this appeals to you, then I'll go ahead and put the link in the description as well. So here we go. Pull this apart. Alrighty. A nice case for it. It's a little bit on the softer side. Thought it would be more of a hard shell case, but it's a little bit more on the softer side. And in comparison to this, you can see the comparison there. See, this is a lot smaller than this guy. Pull tabs are pretty nice. And there you have it. So this is where your Noco will go. Let's go ahead and just put it all in here and see what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and put the jump box in here. Wow, fits nice and snug in there. So definitely don't try to flip it around because it'll definitely fall out. But it's nice and snug in there, and it's kind of got this like velvet kind of material. It's really nice. I dig it. And it's got a, oh, and then here, this partition here is where I guess you put your cables, just like that. Alrighty. And then maybe your charger cables here. Or maybe just throw them in here as well. Alright, there you have it. The Noco Plus with the carrying case and the different compartment here for your cables. Let's go ahead and close this guy up. See what it looks like. Alrighty, there it is. Pretty nice. It's got a little handle here for you if you want to take it for a nice picnic or something. But there it is, guys, the Noco Boost Plus. I'm really excited to have this part of my arsenal. Again, just in case I'm stuck and stranded out somewhere by myself and there's no other car in the general vicinity to give me a jump, I am now equipped with that. Or maybe somebody else around me needs a jump. I got their back. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If maybe you have one and you've utilized it, I would love to hear your feedback and what you think about it. And if you actually used it or if it just kind of sits around or whatever. But anyway, I thought it was a great investment, so that's why I went ahead and pulled the trigger. Hopefully this video was informative to you. And again, I'll have the links in the description for you. So if you do think about maybe looking at it or want to purchase it for yourself and have it for your arsenal, for your car, then those will be in there for you. But thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Hopefully it was informative and fun for you. Thank you for being a part of the unboxing with me, and I will see you then, or I will see you another time.